Hi folks, this is your boy Zupa from London, UK, England. Welcome to the vlog. I'm currently at the Piccadilly Circus, as you can see. We're going to head the Oxford Street. Follow us.
Ciao tutti, this is your boy Zupa with yet another vlog. Join me on my trip to London, the capital of the United Kingdom. In this episode I'll show you the city and subscribe to watch the episode about Camden Town, which will be a next one. So let's go to London, the home of Sherlock Holmes, David Bowie, Queen Elizabeth, Queen, not other Queen, the band Queen with Freddie Mercury. Bojo, the current British Prime Minister, lives there too. Did you know that his full name is Alexander Boris de Pfeffel Johnston? Yes, Bojo de Pfeffel for friends. We left South and Central Station to arrive in Liverpool Street Station 1 hour later. After nearly 2 years of restrictions to wear a face covering were lifted in England, how pleased we were not to have to wear the masks. The train was empty, so was the city of London. Mind you, only 7,000 people live in the city, but 3,100 people commute to the city every day. Anyway, that was before the COVID. In the streets of the city, we have only seen few white-collar workers. I don't know if the COVID has changed the rules of the game for good and all the money now is being transferred from a sofa in the house of a bank worker, not from the office anymore. The city is a city within a city. You must know that the city was founded by Romans about 2000 years ago as a marketplace. It had different legal status than other places. And when William the Conqueror united Britain, he led the city to continue to have special rights. Some say that the city is still very much connected to the Vatican. There are tons of conspiracy theories about the square mile, many including Masons. But it's true that the city has got its own mayor, police force, and is guarded by 7 dragons. This is the historic center of London. Westminster was founded later on as a rival trading center to the city, hence the name Westminster, to the west of the city. The city has its own member of parliament to constantly remind the government about its special status. Today, about 200 billion British pounds pass through the city every day, making it the biggest financial center of the world. Tax havens like Cayman Islands, Isle of Man or Jersey are frequent customers in the city. I wonder if the city in post-Brexit Britain will reinvent itself and conquer new markets as the European laws are lifted. I think so. Set the sails and off we go in the new direction. As you can see, the city of London is a very exciting place. But unfortunately, my time is running out and I have to move on. And I'm going to take a boat to get there. But all you have to do is to jump to another vlog and I will see you there. Till then, take care, Vlogger Zupa. Cheerio!